Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Toptal payments to US Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Toptal payments to a US bank, start by logging into your Toptal account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings section of your account. In the settings menu, find and select the payments option. Here, you will see your payment information and withdrawal options. If you haven't already, add your US bank account details by clicking on the Add Bank Account button. Fill in your bank account information accurately, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to select the correct bank account type, whether it's checking or savings. After entering all the necessary details, double-check for any errors. Once you are sure everything is correct, click Save to add your bank account. Next, return to the Payments section to initiate a withdrawal. Locate the amount you wish to withdraw and click on the Withdraw button. Choose your newly added bank account from the list of available accounts. Confirm the withdrawal details to ensure they are correct. After confirming, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Typically, the funds will be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.